One translation scheme is given as this, and they have asked that for this particular string 3 into 8 minus 2 minus 4, what this scheme will produce as output. That means at the end we will have to give what will be the answer of d dot well. For that we will have to construct the syntax, that is parse tree actually. For that we'll have to construct the parse tree. So parse tree will start from node d. So first of all we'll have to go from d to d star e. Star we want to the left hand side of the string, that means from d we should have the lex value or id. So d to e, and from e to f, and from f to id will have to apply. From this particular e we should have two minus symbol. So from e to f minus e will have to apply, and again from this particular e, f minus e will have to apply. From this particular f we can assign id, from this particular f we can assign id, from this particular e we can have f, and from f to id we can have. From left to right, if I'll give the values to IDs, then it will be 3, 8, 2 and 4. Now f to id means f dot value is equal to id value, that is lex value. So f dot well I'll be having is equal to 3. Similarly, if I'm applying e to f, then according to my translation scheme it should be e dot well is equal to f dot well, that is 3. Similarly d dot well is equal to e dot well, that is equal to 3. Now d to d star e will be having multiplication of d dot well plus multiplication of d dot well and e dot well. Now e dot well we are not having right now value, that's why I'll have to calculate the value of e dot well. So for that f dot well will become 8, this f dot well will become 2, this f dot well again become 4, and this e dot well will become 4. Now I'll have to minus these two values. E dot well is equal to this f dot value, that is 2, minus e dot value, that is 4. 2 minus 4 is minus 2. Now again this particular e dot well is equal to 8, that is f dot well minus 2. F dot well, that is 8 minus of minus 2, that is 10. So this e dot value I am having 10. Now if I have evaluated this e dot value, then I can evaluate this d dot value. This d dot value is dependent on this d dot well and e dot well. So this d dot value is equal to actually 3 multiplied by 10, that is 30. So my answer is equal to 30. So answer is actually 30.